everyone, today I am in the Zoological Garden of Kolkata. It is quite a rainy day. Let's see what we can see here today. This is the map of the Alipur Zoo, and this is the entry fee of a child and an adult. And this is the enclosure for macaws. These are the types of macaws available here. I don't know the names of these birds. If you know, comment down below. This is the plant sale center. We can buy plants from here. This is the enclosure for elephants. I don't see many, I see only one. And this is the diet chart for elephants. And this is the differences between different types of elephants. This is the guide map of the zoo. This is the golden peasant. There is only one of them. And this is the blue peasant. There is two of them. These are deers. There are many of them. Most of them are running. These are ducks. There are many different types of ducks inside there, including babies, mothers and fathers. This is the gateway of the zoo, and this is the symbol of the zoo. Some animals painted and engraved on the walls of the zoo. Three beautiful animal statues in the zoo. Some beautiful flowers. This is the selfie zone of the Alipur Zoo. In this enclosure, there is a Royal Bengal tiger. It is also our national animal. This is the walk-in aviary. If you go to the zoo, do not miss it. It is very fun. We missed it because we couldn't understand this was the door. It's quite a hidden doorway. If you want to adopt any of the animals from the zoo, you can call in any of these two numbers. And these are mandarin ducks. The types of ducks we can find here in the zoo are given here in this chart. And these are swamp deers. And here there are spotted deers and barking deers. And these are known as Indian hog deers. And these are known as mouse deers. They are very small in size, but they are very cute. See them in the back. And these are known as the cassowary. There are two of them in the back. This is a black and white ruffed lemur. See, it is at the back of the enclosure. This is a green iguana. It can match its color to its surrounding. It is almost like a chameleon. And here are the zebras. There are three of them inside the house. See, it is also painted like the colors of a zebra. Can you see them? They are so cute. They are one of my most favorite animals. And this is a chimpanzee. There are two of them inside there, but you can see only one as the other one is inside its house. See, it is lying down like a human. It is so cute. And these are known as the brown antlered deer. There are many of them inside the enclosure. See them? They are also so cute. And these are known as the barking deers. They bark when they see tigers. And this is known as the Malayan tapir. It is a new animal in the zoo because we come often in the zoo but we never saw this animal. And these are known as sambar deer. And these are known as nilgai. And this is known as a yellow anaconda. And this is known as the rhinoceros. There is only one of them inside this enclosure. It is also one of my personal favorite animals. This is the reptile's house. Let's go inside and see what we can find in there. This is a yellow lizard monitor. This is known as a rock python, and see, there is one of them beside the tree. And this is a king cobra. See, one of them is sitting inside the tub. These are known as alligators. See, there are two of them, one in that side and one the other side of the tree. And this is known as a jaguar. It is also one of my personal favorite animals. And this lake is full of big fishes. This is the peacock and it is our national bird. See, behind it there are also two parrots sitting. And these are known as wolves. See, there is one in the back and one running in the front. This is the description of Bengal tiger. And this is the Royal Bengal tiger, our national animal and one of my most favorite animals. And this is a white tiger. And this is the description of white tigers. And this is an Asiatic lion. See, it is sleeping in the back. It is so cute. And this is a giraffe. And this is known as an emu. And this is known as a hippopotamus. And in this enclosure, there are bears. See, there are two of them. They are so cute. So today, as a rainy day, we came in the zoo. It was a very good decision to come here. We saw a lot of animals, but we also couldn't see some because they were fast asleep because of the nice weather. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.